Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make sausage and egg taquitos, just like Whataburger, and you're going to like it. Okay, so for this it's very simple. We're going to need some Jimmy Dean sausage. Now what has happened with the sausage, we've cooked it very well, so there's no grease or anything in this. But plus it is I found out it's a very healthy sausage. And then we have got 3 eggs. We're going to scramble this along with some cilantro. Okay guys, so for this, the egg and sausage taquito will require about 3-4 tablespoons of oil. And to this, let it heat up. Let it heat up. Our pan is nice and hot, so I put oil, so I'll let it heat up a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to put the sausage in it. Okay, you can see it. Now we're going to put this sausage. The reason I'm putting sausage in this is because this sausage, believe me, it was so awesome. It had no fat in it at all. We're going to cook the sausage a little bit because it was already cooked before. And I'm just letting it get a little crispier in this. In the meantime, I'm going to put some salt in my eggs, very little salt in my eggs, and beat my eggs really good. Okay, so okay, just move this eggs around, the sausage around a little bit, as you can see. Okay, I can smell the smell of Jimmy Dean sausage. It's awesome, always that great smell. So I'm slowly pouring this into it and get it scrambled well. Move this around. So for this taquitos, it's awesome. You know why I like this taquitos? We go to this Whataburger, this famous Whataburger restaurant in Houston, Texas, or Texas. Those people who don't have Whataburger, you don't know what they're missing. So you just move this around nicely, cook this scrambled well. You want it well scrambled, so on a slow heat you want to move this around well. No seasoning, no nothing in this, because the sausage will impart all this flavor into it. So now a little bit higher heat and just scramble it nice, break it apart. Okay, you want to cook this really well, okay, so no watery residue or anything like that. The longer you cook eggs, especially, they solidify because of the white of the egg. So to this, I'm going to add now my cilantro. And that's optional if you want to add cilantro or not. But this is what I like, cilantro, fresh cilantro. And here it is, it's ready, the egg and sausage taquito. Now we're going to put this in our taquitos and we're going to eat it with red rojo salsa. Okay, so now we're going to assemble our sausage and egg taquitos. These are our freshly made chapatis, which is on our YouTube channel. You can also use tacos if you want. Let me just arrange them all together so you see how fast we can make this. Like a good assembly line, you know. So just put nice generous portion of this. There you are. And if you want more. Here we go. So here we are. All this good smelling eggs. Into this, I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, so now this is our salsa roja, which is the restaurant style salsa, which is also on the YouTube channel. Watch out, it's kind of spicy, don't put too much of it in. So now I put about 2 teaspoons of each on this, and now generous portion of cheese if you want. Here you are, all my cheese. This guy's a lucky guy, he gets it all. Okay, so here you are. So just wrap this nice, look at this, and put it in. You have our taquitos ready to eat. Enjoy. Here's the fantastic taquitos you can enjoy for breakfast. Okay guys, so now we finished making the taquitos. This is the sausage and egg taquitos. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God. This is really tasty, and the salsa brings out all the flavor. The chapati is very soft, and it's amazing. You gotta try this. You really gotta try this. This is a good breakfast to start your day with. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to your YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking.